Hi, to enable and disable flashlight on the Samsung Galaxy S25, just open your camera app and make sure you are in a photo mode. Now in this upper panel, you should see this lightning icon with the line, meaning that flashlight is disabled right now. But if you tap it, you would see two more icons, lightning with letter A and just lightning itself. So the second icon with letter A is for automatic flashlight. So flashlight would be enabled once the phone will detect dark place. If you want to manually turn on flashlight right now, then select this third icon, press camera shutter button, and here it is. Photo would be taken with a flashlight and it will light up orange like that. To disable, always choose this first icon with line. And now it is disabled. If you want to enable flashlight notifications, then you should go in settings. From here, you need to choose accessibility. Then you will need to pick advanced settings and go in flash notifications. And now you can enable camera flash notifications for all apps. Tap on preview and this is how it will look each time you'll receive new notification. Also, you can enable screen flash notification for all apps or just selected ones. And here you can pick its color. And then tap preview and this is how it will look. And yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.